one last stop before the sun sets on this trip. Now, we are in Florence, and it wouldn't be complete without a full-on taste of Tuscany, which is exactly what they're serving up at the Vineyard in Florence. It's wine, it's food. It's one of those places that truly feels like you've been transported to that other Florence across the pond. And this is General Manager Stacy Harris. All right, Stacy, what have you poured us?
Well, this is a brand new release called Haven. 100% Albarino, Texas fruit. Perfect for a Texas summer day.
Ooh, that's good. So I know this place is way more than just a winery.
It started with really humble beginnings to just be a part of the very early stages of the Texas wine industry. A few grapes in the ground, small tasting room, and as guests started visiting, they started asking for more. They wanted to stay the night, have dinner, and so everything just grew up slowly.
Okay. When it started in 2009, it all fit in one barn. Now it's spread across 30 acres with a hotel, an immaculate tasting room constructed from an 1850s barn, and a delicious farm-to-fork restaurant and garden. Like, this is all getting served in the restaurant tonight?
Yes, we work season to season, chef and gardener together, and they decide what the next season's menu is going to look like and what we're going to cultivate ourselves.
That's really fun.
Nothing's more delicious than a homegrown tomato.
I mean, Tuscany can just eat it. They got this. This is better. This is way better.
It is a beautiful little slice of heaven.
Time to head into Farmer's Comment, where all those delicious veggies combine with the passion of head chef Ruben Gaffuni. Born in Spain, Ruben worked across Europe and has spent his life learning the art of cooking. So you got a very close relationship with your gardener.
Yeah, we change the menu every 3 months.
Yeah.
And we make planning in advance.
This is real organic food.
Real.
You wanna know, where do these ingredients come from? Right over there, in the yard. Simple food, complicated food, what's your take on it?
When you're looking at good food, you have to look in always the simple food. Like good food is one extension of you or your feelings. And you think you can feel 10 things in the same time? Hey, no.
No, maybe 2, 3 emotions at once. I'll second that emotion. Time to taste the passion. All right, now this is a meal fit for a farmer, a very fancy farmer. Look at all the greenery, the tomatoes, the parsley, these flowers all came out of that garden, like right over there. Whipped truffled ricotta with a little pool of honey in the middle of it. I'm not even sure the people in Florence, Italy are eating this well. The bouquet is quite appetizing. Now for the main course, shrimp and grits.
Just eat your grits, man.
That's Southern comfort food right there. We got tomatoes from the farm, shrimp from the Gulf, andouille sausage from a dude named Andy. Look around. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, there are people who travel all the way across the ocean to get a setting exactly like this one, when it's right here in our backyard. It's like a mini trip right at the end of your day trip. You were already tripping, now you're extra tripping. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.